Hello everyone, today I will review the iWOWNfit i6 Pro Roll Band Smart Bracelet. Version i6 Pro, the fitness tracker is a multifunctional sports bracelet and health manager. It can track activity data such as steps, distance, calorie consumption and more. A sleep monitor, alarm, call reminders, smart message notifications, remote camera control and music control are also all available. 7.3 HD Highlight PMOLED screen, alloy frames, curved bottom and buckle strap design, simplicity click, slide, long press, 3 kinds of operation made, leading to a clever experience. Curved bottom design and Pixar dynamic HR sensor to capture each second HR fluctuation. 3-axis gravity acceleration sensor and iWOWN 6th generation algorithm can filtrate most of invalid movement. The charging cable is magnetic, so it's pretty easy to take it on and off. To download the app, just scan the QR code. "24-hour real heart continuous heart rate monitor, walking steps and distance, calories burnt counting." Version i6 Pro, the fitness tracker monitors your heart rate all day long and syncs to your phone. You can check the maximum, minimum and average heart rate, as well as view heart rate graphs from a specific day, week, month, or even year in the app. The fitness tracker also monitors your sleep continuously and syncs to your phone. Detailed data can be viewed in the app. Methods of displaying screen: touch screen, raise hand, turn over the wrist. You can control your phone camera remotely by either touching the fitness tracker's screen or turning your wrist when the app is open. Ip67 Waterproof allows bracelet to be held in the rain, in the process of washing hands, bathing, taking shower, and swimming etc. With time display and mobile's messages and phone call pushing, schedules adding and reminding, clock alarm. Attaching great Ip67 water-resistant tech, this i6 Pro tracker can accompany you forever, even during swimming and shower. Thank you for watching.